So my mate Donal sent me his new cookbook.
Miguel who?
Alright, so I haven't actually met him, but he definitely knows who I am.
Never heard of him.
Well, anyway, I'm going to steal one of his recipes and I'm going to do it for a £1. So I had a quick flick through. The book's called Meals in Minutes, and this is the recipe I want to attempt. The baked gnocchi. Right, if there's any chance of us doing this for a £1, first thing we're going to need is a pen, a pad, and a calculator. So the base of this dish is garlic, chilli, and passata. So not all that much saving can be made there. There's spinach, so obviously we're going to go frozen, and that leaves us just enough money to get shop-bought gnocchi, and that means we don't have to make it ourselves, and it just makes everyone's life a whole lot easier. First thing we need to do is cook the gnocchi in salted boiling water. Fry up some garlic, add some chili flakes, throw in the passata and the spinach, cook it through, and don't forget to season with salt and pepper. Now you'll know when the gnocchi's cooked because it's going to float to the top, and then just scoop it out with a slotted spoon and throw it into the sauce. Give it a little stir, top it with cheese, and then put it in the oven at 200 for 15 minutes. Right, so here it is, my £1 version of Donal's baked gnocchi.